In this video, I'm going to show you how to add staff on Square Appointments. Now, the first thing you have to do, you want to open your dashboard, then you want to go to the left over here, and of course, you want to go to Staff, you want to click on Team, and then Team Members. Now, if for some reason this isn't showing for you or you can't find it, it may be due to the region you're currently in, okay? Because I do think this is not available in every single region, but if you can see it, it means it's available for you. Now, when you do that, go to Add Team Member, top right. And then from here, you basically have to type in their preferred name and last name, as well as the phone number and email and an optional team member ID. Whenever you do that, click on the next button top right, and then from here, you can type in their primary job. Of course, you can add a new one if you don't have it. So for example, the job over here, I'm just going to type in staff right now and click on save, okay? Here you can select the pay type. I'm going to do salary, and of course, you can select the salary over here as well. And then of course, you can select the weekly hours, whatever you want to do here, and then you can see the hourly rate as well. So of course right now I typed in something completely random, but that's gonna work right now. And whenever you do this, you can then go ahead and basically select down here if this job can earn tips or not, and then you can add another job if you wanna. Then click on the next button, and here you can assign permissions. So of course you can select or create a permission set. So I'm just going to basically give the staff the manager permissions like this. Of course you can edit these as well. Then you'll see your locations. You can of course put on the authorized representative, and then you can create a passcode for that specific person. Here, click on next again, top right, and you can review everything. If it looks good, click on done, and that specific person is gonna get added onto your list just like this. So I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.